Welcome back to my channel. My name is April Hardiman. I own Make It Rain, and I do videos on tips, tutorials, and a lot of equine products, and just sharing all my horse love. So I wanted to kind of jump on today and do a video on my favorite thing, subscription boxes. And I know you've seen a couple of them if you've been on my channel, where I've done the Cavali Club and the Nobel, and I love both of them. I love receiving both of them for sure. So this one was the one that I just received recently is from Cavali Club. And this is probably one of my favorite boxes. Of course, I've already opened it. I usually open them before I do the videos, but this is the box. And so I'm actually starting to keep these boxes. I know it sounds silly, but I have one of those cubed shelves, and I'm going to probably use these boxes. And when I have my office, hopefully in the States, that I will be using these for like putting pictures or files and such in them. So that's kind of, I'm holding on to them now because I just love all the effort put into them. And this box is just amazing. And because I've just been a huge fan of them. I think I've received almost every box except for maybe the first one or two of them. So there's only been like, I would say, what, 6, 7 of them now. And they always come with one of these pamphlets. And it's really cool because I'm actually on the book. Woohoo! Right there. 'Cause, and then they always tell you what's inside. And I'll kind of go through that as how I usually do these videos. And then they kind of talk about the bonded by the retired racehorse. So that is really cool. I love that. So that's for the models for when they did all their stuff for social media and such for Instagram. So even though I have this product, I will definitely be using it once we go back. And I love the smell of leather, and this is like, you know, brand new leather, and you open the package and it just like hits you and it's like, oh my God, I love this smell. So the first thing is a Tucker Tweed Equestrian. It was like a combination of the two big sponsors of this box, I believe, the Tucker Tweed and the Equitana USA. There's a huge show that usually happens in Germany, Equitana, and it's like all these vendors and everything. The one in Germany is just completely packed. Like, I mean, I know there's the horse expos, but this is just at another level. They had like fashion shows and, you know, all the regular horse events that you see. So I haven't seen all of the details on Equitana, but I knew it was, you know, happening in September, and it's at the Kentucky Horse Park, you know, and they're bringing it, you know, to the States. So it should be really interesting because I know the Germany one, I think only happens like every other year, and it's a huge deal. I definitely wanted to go to it. It never worked out the dates. Like when we first got here, I think we got here right after that one, and then the second time I was pregnant and kind of far along, and my husband was gone to Poland, so it just didn't work out. Onto the box now. And sorry, I have some harsh light coming in, but the first one, like I said, was the Tucker Tweed and the Equitana. They kind of did a little collaboration. It's a leather travel wallet, and the retail on this is just the amount of that you're paying for the box and what you get just for this one product is, you know, it's just totally worth just getting this box for just this one product. When I saw that it was actually coming in this box, I was like, oh, get in the box. I don't even care what else is in the box. Like, I'm getting that for sure. I actually have one of their purses too, or little clutch bags. I can't remember what they're called, but I use it all the time. Like, it's perfect because I can put all my stuff in there, and I can also throw it in the diaper bag for my daughter if we're going anywhere, and all my stuff stays in one spot. Because before I was kind of trying to put all my things in her bag, but then if she goes to the babysitter, then I can't. It was just a pain. But so this is the travel wallet, and it smells amazing. I just love the smell. And so you see the Tucker Tweed on the front, and then there's the Equitana on the back. So, you know, got to travel to the event, you know, and I was obviously going to be using this for my passports. I was curious if it had any RFID protection, because I know some of the stuff does. I didn't see it on here, and I should probably go on the website, but I didn't see if it does. But you can always put this in a bag that does have RFID protection too. because I know that is very important while traveling, but I'm not sure how easy it would be to get inside these products and such. But I'm really excited about this. I had always actually wanted a horse like styled one. I couldn't find one that I really liked. But yeah, so when this was in the box, I was like, yes, getting it. So that's really awesome. I'm just really excited. So they have all these credit card spots, and you can put something right here. And then of course this is for your passport. You know, you probably put your like boarding passes and such right here. And then the second thing is going to be EquiFit. It's a horse socks. So these are something you can put on your horse themselves. So it says EquiFit horse socks are a smart addition to your horse's wardrobe with the benefits of compression paired with the protection of a sock. This essentially is the best way to protect your horse's legs during exercise. So I've never used these or never really heard much about this, and I'm really excited to try it out. Okay, so it's great for like if there's leg irritations, you know, keeping your legs clean, which would be great for like if you have, you know, those stockings they have. Oh man, I mean, I have a paint horse, so this would just be amazing anyways, because all those white legs for sure. And if there's any like, you know, wounds, minor leg, you know, abrasions, compression, aiding in increased circulation. So there's a lot of benefits towards this. So, oh, and you cut them to your length. Oh, that's cool. I'm really excited to try this with my horse when, you know, we need it. If we need it for abrasions or just keeping his legs white. Because, I mean, I'll probably have to cut it a little short. He's on the shorter side. But that'll be really great. So the third thing is Ponytail Products. And this is a foam and forelock lavender bloom infused sponge for horse and rider. Retail at $21. Okay, when I first saw this, I was like, what is this? Like, you know, it looks like a sponge, but it's kind of like, has a little bit of tension there. Like it's already got the soap in it, which it does. That's the thing, it has the soap inside of it. As you can see, I've kind of like squished it a little bit because I was trying to like feel like what it felt like. It smells freaking amazing. My husband loved the smell of this. He's like, can I use that? So we haven't decided if we're going to wait and use it on the horse or if we're going to just let my husband use it because he just loved the smell of this. So it should really say horse, human, or husband use because he really loved the smell. And then, so the fourth thing, okay, I was really excited about this and I had forgotten because I think they did a sneak peek of this too, and I had forgotten this was coming in the box. So I was really excited when I saw this. I know I'm always excited, but it's a horse thing. Like if it's a horse product, and I'm not really with my horse right now, everything that's horse related, I'm just like super excited about, to be honest. So this is the Nobel Steed wine stopper. So so this is amazing. I love wine stoppers. The one I had from my wedding actually got all yuck because you're not supposed to leave these in the wine bottle in the fridge. And I was young and didn't really understand that, so then they got all yuck. It's only for when they're out and about and, you know, you're drinking wine here and there. But isn't that pretty? I don't know if this is going to focus at all. No, sorry, not using the best camera at the moment. And I don't drink that much wine, but when I do, I like to be a little fancy because even my wine glasses that I have, they're not horse related wine glasses, but they were given to me by a horse person. So that's what's important, right? All right. So the fifth thing, I mean, look, this is awesome already. Like there's more, like what? There's more? Okay, helmet refresh. Helmet deodorizer. So this is awesome. It's by the company Love Scarlet Equestrian Co. Okay. I had seen a lot of these, like not a lot of these, but a few of these, and I was like, I really, really need one of those. Like desperately really need one of those. Oh, it comes with a little. So this is the bottle. Love Scarlet Equestrian Co. Helmet Refresh. So that's kind of how it looks. And I was like, oh, I need this. I really need this, you know, now that it's coming summertime and it gets a little sweaty. Spring and summertime. And then it came with like this little card. So I'm gonna kind of see what's going on with that. I hope that's not like a separate thing that I'm messing up. Little card comes with the spray, and it kind of just gives you some details on how they came up with it, and you know, the ingredients they used, and you know, what not to mix it with, and check with your helmet retailer if it, you know, it'd be useful. And that's great. And it talks about how it's handcrafted on natural line of grooming and rider care products is the company, so it gives you a little more details in here, and that's great. I love this pamphlet. It gives you so much information, and I love how a lot of this is like, you know, small businesses and such, so I love how that's being supported as well. All right, this was cool. The Limber Up Liniment Leg and Body Braze Foamer in Gel, or Foamer Plus Gel. Of course, I will not be able to use this at the moment, and you know, but it'll be something great to have in the first aid kit when I'm back on it and such. So I'm really I'm not looking forward to using it, but if I need to use it, it's something great to have in the barn. And I love that these are packaged so well because they don't even need to be. I forgot about the brace wash too. So we've got both of them. They're distributed by Back on Track. Huh, interesting. I did not know that. So this is just helps improve suppleness and range of motion, soothes overall aches, joint stiffness, muscle, tendon, ligament soreness commonly associated with daily use and exercise. So it's almost kind of like you could use it for preventative measures too. So that's really cool. That is really neat. So you've got the foamer in the gel. Okay, so you get both. And it's great. Neither one of these leaked in the box. Neither one of them did. So that is really awesome. And then last but not least, we have an awesome, let me get it all situated. We have Kate Stevenson 8x10 print of original, and it's Charlie is off-white. Okay, look at this photo. I freaking love it. I'm ready to just like hang it up in my office when I have it. As you know, I love my art. I even have, that's from one of the first Cavali boxes that I actually got. So I have that hung up. So I love art, you know, even photography art. Like, so I'm really excited to, it's all art. I'm really excited to have this up in my office. That is one of the goals. So yeah, that is all of it. So that is the box. There's an awesome pamphlet that describes all this stuff, and I love this too. Like, I know, you know, it just talks about the products, but I love all the effort that goes behind the box. You know, there's amazing products, but she really put some great thought into all of this. You know, the pamphlet, everything that's going along. And if you follow them on social media, on Instagram for sure, you know, it's very creative in how they do their spoiler. To have like a Facebook group if you're part, you know, if you're getting this box. She kind of gives you sneak peeks if you're already a member. They have a little shop and such. So there's so much that's going on with this box. It's not just, you know, the monthly or the quarterly boxes that you get, but that's definitely an awesome perk. Like, hello, I've got a Tucker Tweed travel wallet. Like, how amazing is this? So you should definitely check them out. And last but not least, I am wearing this Equestrian hat, mostly because I did not get camera ready, but it's really sunny outside. But I am a brand ambassador of Equestrian. You know, you can post, I don't know if you've ever been there, but you can go to equestrian.com, and businesses can list their businesses, what they've got going on. Myself, I have some of my services that I provide for my clients up there, if anybody's ever interested in that kind of thing. But there's products up there, and then they recently just started, if you want to sell, you know, a few things of your own, like almost like a consignment shop online-ish, so that's up there. Almost like, I think you could be like the horse eBay or something. But that's all up there. That's just a new thing going on. So you should definitely check them out. And if you are interested in anything that's on the website, whether it's products or services and such, there is a coupon code in the description below. So make sure you go and check that out. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I plan on really revamping this YouTube channel and really attacking it again. So I'm really excited for this stuff, because I love horse products. I don't know what it is, but I just love horse things. I'm gonna stack up on all this stuff, and then when it's needed, I'll have it. I won't have to go run out to the store and get it, because your girl's already got it. She's already got it. She don't need to go run out to the store, and like when that helmet is getting stanky, she's ready. When she's ready to go travel to like a conference or a summit or wherever, she's got this. She's got it. She's ready. So you want to be ready too with all your horsey stuff. And when she wants an awesome office with a really great pictures, she's got that too. So make sure you go check out the CavaliClub.com. And I just make these videos because I really appreciate how much effort is being put behind these boxes, and I love them so much. I'm not sponsored in anything by any of it. I just absolutely love everything in this box. I'll see you in the next video.